Hello my dear friends, today I'm here to tell you that why do we cough. Cough is a reflex action which causes irritation to the air passage. Coughing may be due to various reasons. It may be due to minor blockage caused up by the building up of mucus. There are other reasons also by polluting gases which move around in the atmosphere from vehicles and factories, or coughing may be due to chest infection, cold also. Do you know cough can move the airways at 60 miles an hour, which is very easy to spread flu. So always remember to put your hand when you cough. Well, these all were about cough. Thank you so much.